highways. And today's lecture I'll discuss about the find the square of the following numbers. We have these numbers, we need to find the square of the following. So see, square of the following is like 32 square. As we know that 32 square is 32 into 32. So when we multiply with 32 into 32, it will become 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4, 6, 2 and 10. So it will become 1024. But this one is a little bit of difficult method to solve this one. So what we will do in this question, we will go for the new method and easiest method. That one is 32 square. So what is our next method is, as we know that from square formula, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Or you can write it like a square plus 2ab plus b square. It's the same, as the signs are same, so it's same. So we will shape our question according to that formula. But how we will shape our question? Now we have 32. So 32 we can write it as 30 plus 2. Yeah, we know that 30 plus 2 is 32. So there is no difference of writing is like 32 or 32 plus 2. Why? You have a square and we write square. We will see it. When we did 32 square, our answer was 1024. Now we will check when we do 30 plus 2 square, 2 whole square, and what will be the result. According to the formula, I'll write the formula here so you can better understand it. A square plus b square plus 2 into ab. Okay, so 30 square plus 2 square plus 2 into 30 into 2. So it will become, now it's easy. What you will do, when there is 1 0, write 2 0 and take the square of 3 is 9. When there is a 0 and for 0 we want to take a square with the number, it will be 2 0. So 4 plus, see, 4 3s are 12. So 120. So when we add them, it will become 904 plus 120. So it will become 4, 2 and 9 ones are 10. 1024. When we did it as a 32 square, we get it 1024. And when we did it like 30 plus 2 square, according to the formula, we get the answer same, it is 1024. So without using any calculator, you find the value of 32 square. Similarly, the next question is 35 square. So 35 square is the same, 30 plus 5 square. It will be equal to 30 square plus 5 square plus 2 into 30 into 5. So 900 plus 25 plus, when we multiply this one, it will become 33 2s are 6 and that means it is 60, 563, 300. So when we add them, it will become 5 to 12. 12 25. You can check the calculation. I'll check it again. And 5 2s are 10, 3s are 30, 300. So it is same. Now next part is the third part. And the third part is 86 square. So again the same, 80 plus 6. 80 plus 6. Or some teachers do like when the number is, the gap is above 5, like when it up to 5, 1 to 5, the last digit, they do it as a plus, and after that is the minus, like it 86. So you can write it 90 minus 4. It is the same. You can write it either this way or that way. I'll do on the both. See, 80 plus 6 square, it will become 80 square plus 6 square plus 2 into 80 into 6. So it will become 0 to 0, 8 8 are 64, 36 plus, when you multiply this one, it will become 160 and into 6, 0, 6 6 are 36, 6 3 9. So 960. So when we add them, 960, 36, 6400. So 6 3 6 are 9, 9 4 13, 1 and 7, 7396. And if you want to do it like 90 minus 4, because it is also 86, so it will become 90 square, but it is the minus formula, so we'll use a minus formula, plus 4 square minus 2 into 90 into 4. So 92 square is 8100 plus 4 4 are 16 minus 8 9 8s are 72. No, it will become 8 and 8 9 8s are 72. So when we go for the calculation, so it will become 8116 and 720. When we subtract this one, it will become 6 11 and 9 2. It's remaining with the 6 and 11 it's 2 and 10 and 10 7 3, and that will be 7. So 7396. So it is same by the both method. Why I did the second method? Because some teachers I seen in the books and in the solution, some teachers are doing like that. So similarly, the 86 question is done. 86 is a 993 whole square. So 93 whole square. So it will be 90 plus 3 whole square. So I'll do just one step, and the next step you can do it by yourself. I don't want to extend my video so you can get the method. This is your practice, so just do it like 3 square plus 2 into 90 into 3. Okay, so 81 square plus 9 plus, that will be 3 2s are 6, 6 9 are 54. So the rest of the calculation you can calculate it, and the last part is this one. So you will do it 70 plus 1 ka square, 70 plus 1 square. So this is the question number 1 of this exercise. Now let's go for the question number 2, because question number 2 is very simple, and it's only for the 2 steps. Question number 2 is write Pythagoras triplet. Pythagoras triplet. So how we'll write the Pythagoras triplet? The question is, first one is 6. Now what is Pythagoras triplet? It is 2m into m square minus 1 m square plus 1. This is called Pythagoras triplet. So here we have a 6. So here 6 is equal to m. So because already one number is given, he said Pythagoras triplet. Triplet means there is 3 numbers in that one. Triplet for 3. So first number is already given, that is 6. 2m is equal to 6. So we get the first number as 6. I'll write here. First number is 6. So what about the other number? For other number we need to find the value of m. So m will be equal to 6 by 2. That will be equal to 3. So for the next number is m square minus 1. That is 3 square minus 1. That is 9 minus 1. That is 8. So the second number is 8. What is about the third number? M square plus 1. So m is 3 square plus 1. That is 9 plus 1. That is 10. So that one is our Pythagoras triplet. Always remember that the first number is 2m. m is not a number of Pythagoras triplet. You can't write here as 3. No, that is wrong. 2m is 6. So for the next part we have next one is next one of the Pythagoras triplet is 14. Yeah, 14. So we have the numbers 2m, m square minus 1, m square plus 1. So we have the first number is 14, as 2m is equal to 14. So m is equal to 7. 14 by 2, it is 7. So what about the other number m square minus 1? That is 7 square minus 1. That is equal to 49 minus 1. That will be equal to 48. So the next number of us will be the 48. We'll write it as 48. So after that there is m square plus 1. That is 7 square plus 1. That will be equal to 49 plus 1. That will be equal to 50. So these 3 are Pythagoras triplet. Now number 3. Number 3 is the 16. So 16, as we write it, 2m minus m square minus 1 m square plus 1. So 2m is equal to 16. So m is equal to 8. So m square minus 1, 8 square minus 1, 64 minus 1, that is equal to 63. So m square plus 1, 8 square plus 1, 64 plus 1, 65. So these 3 are the Pythagoras triplet. And the last one is 18. So 18, 2m, m square plus minus 1, m square plus 1. So 18 2m is equal to 18, m is equal to 9, and m square minus 1, 9 square minus 1, that will be equal to 81 minus 1, that will be equal to 80. So m square plus 1 is 9 square plus 1, that will be equal to 81 plus 1, that will be equal to 82. So this is the Pythagoras triplet, and that's how we solve the Pythagoras triplet. And what is the Pythagoras triplet? I'll explain it again, and that is 2m and m square minus 1 and m square plus 1, and 2m is the number which is given to us. So that was the exercise 6.2. So we'll move on to the exercise 6.3. You can follow the lectures of in sequence in playlist of exercise 6.1 and exercise 6.2.